So this is the Nestle Dolce Gusto Genio machine, and it's a pretty awesome machine. It looks pretty modern, sleek, love it. Today I'm going to show you how to make the cappuccino ice. Really simple. Lift up, pull this out, put the cartridge that you want to go in it. I'm going to put that in, slip it back in. Push it down, turn on the machine, and then we're going to go up to 3 and then push the button, and there it goes. Just wait for it to come out. Yep, coffee, huh, Mason? Once that's done, pop it open, dump that cartridge out, put the next one in, put it right in, close, and then go again. Coffee, yeah, Mason, coffee. It's for mommy? Yeah? All done. Super quick. Fancy. Pop it right out of there. And then put a little straw in. There you go. All done. Ready to